Adom TV Badwam kase no de restore no de bonkrata online stories no aye krado erade fa nkomra sombie maye o mre kakra nso aba Facebook/Adom TV a ye wo ho a wo behwe na nati wa no pa mechia wo pa se wo adwuma no difference wo mu ane se woni habi na so ye so ya na ate akire yey we too much o ko asanti dwabia na nati wa tinana match why na miemi okoto dwenu mu ye o kon ne wonsa no ese bibia be fine lakwab na no pay mo ache
oh ma joso na hayi osmo ne
eno osmo mo
atama me entuma katade so mo kwa ne ti ase entuma katade so ya kasa che ma mutie entuma katade so danko fo mi ni we o mu kuro nipa mu o mu kasa o be kasa ne ma be pie no entuma katade so entuma atama me osmo entuma katade so medamo asese motimi akora me na mahwe machi yi ama me nyesa nka no pei enipa bebre be kasasa oba hanso a okohwe daachi hene pa de wayesi control room wa echende okwa aforebo wo India daachi hene nana ya asante lai ono so yehudi odi won certificate so say ye nana ya o say asante lai o say ye daachi hene asante nana ya lai o ye ipa ba ko usuambra enim certificate awo di e bekoso wa wie SS enim di odi ye certificate JHS enim di code de so ye wo birth certificate so di different now sa lai amache no for free
amache sa kan
amache kan
ni din dos
oh machi ahima nyina e wo Ghana ahima nyina the titu ye go so hima na masa achia Kenya ase 1 and 2 ni achire so ahima na ahima hode o mem sankore ni ho nyina kukum nyina masa achia jedu ene wo mahini so ne techre ne machia sa ahima afo ni
video
yedi doni ma video
be chem ni won kana me kan so ani dia nkwanta
edi oni ma di oni ma ya ubo the capital ni wi a enkura ya kan na ofi anya wi afofo mu tie sie nya ubo the capital ni wi se go so o se o ti se go so ma hima o wi mo amaka ndi o se o de ne mo amonchi nya mo ase o ti we di akeka jedu ni ntotro so ba bia hima ba concentrate on half nti you also concentrate on odie but there's a sad one also Ghana for ho aka adwam ewo eye Syria ne Turkey na dia yakwa ne se ekwan abefa so abetimi akọ ne omadi nkomo no so no saa kwan ni nyina no enko ahoma no emfa nti e dia yam hihie pa na aba even though obi nchen obi ba na edu ba bi a obi ekochen obi kakra nti na wiase nyina no achu nti ene ye da nyame ase ba yankase ade hie bi nso ho akọ adwam I'm telling you so oje bre pa hwe Joy News now she said ye a dancing timi bra
picture bi
now she dan na nipa dodo na etisa dan ni now he kwan anyame fa so so tin kwada bi eni nipa bi ni mu a
oh
hey
obi hye ho a wo tie mu
hey
nyame
enti we the presidential correspondent o se linking call Dr. Mubarak Mohammed ye ne betwetwen komo onu na gina Ghana fo anemu ewo saa bia ho na obeka ha okakra che ne Ghana mpemfo ahwe kwa ya befa so a ebetimi aye ohare so etimi Doc Mubarak anope minim se mo ho ya no pose me mo achi na ho ye
me ho ye me dase
good na hefa poti na oni ye kasa free
menemu kasa se ameka say from Ankara, the capital of Turkey.
Ankara?
Yes, Ankara, the capital of Turkey.
Okay. Na situation is in Ghana 42. In say this year, kro ahodo mo this year waka. Ba ene de ye masa abusuan ya kosa agye di say nipa dodo na be hu mo chi akwan no. Yen Ghana for this year, I understand say o na obo ku na no yi. Ye ho asem ti say wo ho.
Ghana for the Yadanyankupon se in fact, ye ni problem biasa. Ushe earthquake, enye bebia ni see. It happened in 10 different cities. Those 10 different cities, almost a border town. They share border with Syria. And you follow news, earthquake, and also it happened in both Turkey and Syria. And those cities almost share that border town with, almost share that border with Syria. Those were cities that were severely affected. Now, thankfully, also no, the Nyamia say, also no, yen share that in Ghana for be breeze. We have few number of Ghanaians over there. Mainly, they are students. And thankfully, Obia is safe as we speak. We have no report of any casualty via Honomo, apart from, of course, Sana Muninamoti, our own brother, Christian Achua. Thankfully, no Endrano. I understand he's been secured and hospital. He is now under medical attention. And yes, generally in a situation the Rebecca said in Yankupon, but of course, say whether you are closer to the place or not, as long as you live in the same country, naturally, you will experience some panic. And all of us were in panic, and because it's also a very heavy way, a high magnitude earthquake, those of us who are even living a bit far, experience the aftershocks.
Wow.
I know that for sure, sir. There were a lot of couple of Ghanaian brothers on Monday saying they had to exit their homes, apartments, to stay outside from morning till evening because they experienced multiple aftershocks. You can just imagine. The weather is very cold because it's snowing here and all of that. They had to spend the whole day outside because they were scared, of returning to their homes. But thankfully, after that, yeah, that's the situation now. It's good.
Okay, so you can say to the best of your knowledge, Ghana for do na Ujiri say Monsasu almost Monisu almost no Yemudu na we are safe.
We are safe. We are safe. In fact, Anope Kranomene Uka say in collaboration with the embassy, we are trying to see the few who are in those areas, we are trying to evacuate them to Istanbul and Ankara. Where we have made arrangement for a place for them to stay until such a time where Bibia be normal. Now, what is next? Yeah.
Well, but the recovery rate is what is quite a fast way. GDP, Osha Onkano, a quenim kama there.
A quenim kama. Now, there are challenges, of course. Challenges now, I want to say. Challenges now, I want to say, road network, because of the earthquake, it's been affected severely. And, our transportation has been difficult. One, most of some of the roads in Ukraine have been closed. And the weather condition is not good at all. Very cold winter, some places no snow or honeymoon. So what it means is that even you have to be careful. You cannot run a normal way because of the ice. And these are all challenges. And another thing, earthquake did not happen at one place. Like I said, it happened at multiple locations. And you have to spread personnel everywhere. In fact, now the challenge is that because it happened in multiple places, and the effect is that huge, the pace, is not very, very fast. But there are some international rescuers, in fact, from I think some 30-something countries. They have come. They are also supporting. And the situation. This is how it is. They are doing their best. But the situation is quite challenging.
All right, Doc. Yeah. And we continue to pray for Adeshia Ohonyati to Ghana Adeshia and Onyamizu Shira the embassy and your good self with team, say the ma collaborate am person mo boama Ghana for ho atoche kakra no mutimi save situation. We wish you all guys well. Brano you be din komo you da CP say we dey insights we abre. So that's it. You koso da nyame ase for obia na ne bra obo, but we heard the okay for to the best of his knowledge onyame ne Ghana for wo ho no dodo na di ni na we hwe kra na muntu a embassy no ne ono so ne team no mutu just to fish out and help Ghanaians almost because ehu kakra bi afa system nim ene omu kra e bi omo prepare omo di dem kakra. For now yen tie say Ghana ni bia ashrenin kwa to the best of my knowledge said yes erade so onko so nkra won aka nyina no Syria Turkey adehye wo nyina no na e bia nko kama kwa nya me fa so jimbo fra kwa na ne won play be hwe from kakoda ebe survive bia be call off e dan be dwuregu nipa dodo na abehwere on campaign for ba mo frɛ wo mu nyina wo be kokora bi bia won za kwada twe ka no oda ona ase bibia nsi so nyame ye da wase wo ye nyame a de ho to so ye ni mu timi ngo ase da musuo ni san rade manen pare tie pia no pa bia no leaders not into temptation a key. It's very important because what if you know fiba rade hu moba the recital and believe that it will happen because a sign any way to for the rate at which they are working. Any young person carelessness is your talk. Time is shown to an so wipe and yejuma. It will be a message. Once then it's a jam. Now if one can see one highway. So no money be apart from natural disaster. No money be young casa if you young casa contribute to or the one break so to me say break part no highway. Or the mayor, Kokosech, mayor.
I don't also on the experience.
Yes, or the experience Zusura. No money be a young Cassia Messia, no, or the Yaminshi Shemuno, ever from Co. Yaminshi Shed, ever from Cocran, be a white Nippon, Manabasa, so climate change who's common bino. No more be bro, I assassin, no more Brian, you know, Brian quiet, and Tigana Fontiu. I bet do brebi, also Pesicado door. To ye illegal mining. Ebe we eche no. Na yare sa na ewu sa da fi ye de sha be for this kind of thing na e ka okwa. Mesre. Eni o mani bo say ye di sua de entem kwa ye ni ebugu sa. Kwa ye ni eton sa.
Well so e wo ho for a purpose.
I'm telling you.
You na sisi wo e boy ye ho ban yo.
Eti no.
Ye twa ni nyina agu inframa na e ba. Ye dan na na be ba so.
O ti potem bi wo hu say ha ye say asase we dey ye jato ho no 19 kojo nsuo nko enen obi atwa fa so ye say wo be kokora no wan hwe ya okora be boat to crafio then serious sir mo so the antrack for an hour for na ifu kakra bi 5 minutes 2 minutes yen kwa enkrata so
I mean kind sir crime Kasua 2 arrested for defrauding by false pretense.
Hey, most of cars really.
And young guys me no bi na de nipa kokodo na too much. I say he's a Kasua division. The year free. Abna. Obi year free mu no.
No mo take advantage.
Ai. Wo mo de ni poster nam na mo discuss wo mo de mochre sika o say mo ko yina free mochre. Just say nipa ti me dwene sa adwene we. Enye wo busuani na me ni me bi mo kokodro say obi busuani no em say so won nam yes wo magigi abe 10k de es wo mata so o mageko
ba ebi ni mo adwene no boni adwene ba fast pa
oh yes obe bitiu
ana Ghana for so wo agidie bi ni ehumo bro bi
o ye ho division commander
ye tie basko na me mfa commander yiri
ensie ye no
se na busuani ye fa we so etu ye ho fo no yes the commander baby I will be an already showed but one how do drum grana
oh yes
na say commander obetua mana bro so
obetua sa adwen kese
na I am hwe no ma bi atwa so so osmosis preacher for mutimi cool space was of market
we ye dey
okanya mi asempa na nipa mi munga mu me nam gina na we bu offering oyina to atwa any fire you too much. Any now for nurse found dead after failed marriage.
Can you imagine? And what make kind then I'm say
Ghana
Ghana here sure sirim ho
ade ni wura na ware na
we be man na aku no ho so o twempra me sese ge no die na die asam ka hu na ni tin hu ne na sese anya yi timuso anya broken heart e deep ene sese ne fe ne dia
fe ne wo di fe nyina mu
fe ne anim guase
ne fe ne mu
tie ne na me ku hu wo sa de we hu sei hu ya unim de obenya de unfu anu wako ene wase bi aka yi yesi trasa kwa mo bi a waja hoko
o si wie man yo de ko trem yo oni na wi
akofo bi fofo
eji umu ano ato no
ni enkofo ko ni emamu
mensiri umu ano ato no ayi
kasa ona ma no kasa
wonam na obu nipa kwase ya pi so a ehun sunsun so no
e ba so
ye kanu officer you smart or smart you obi a wo ye kwase ebu obi a no o cap enche bi e be ma
yes e be so na be so mo wa we
na won hwe sa konfo ya osmo hwe no ada koto social media o twi obi phone na o dodge no ko ru atrotru ru atrotru di party o si bisi metia ya si bisi metia o so buntu ahe o de jai o de twa mi set o so bisi metia o so police be mu enti o cap no e be ye ma
it's
better you stop watching. I bring to the quickly through in terms of what to do the broadcast and for they patrol mo te se Ghana man pay be sakyere na ba mu aba na di kan yi masutira kan kofo e kodo dant no ye mu bidie e se Badwam team na nye wa because ni nim kofo the chronicle say Ahanta Traditional Council in disarray over appointment of La Bianca owner as acting president of Infa Ahanta Traditional Council. Na o hima ana o hine
emisa
okay said Agongo played no role in compilation of Cocoa report or dance phone because Kufuor reshuffles Asamoah Boateng Asabi Asaba and Kojo Ponkroma campaigns for processing of more cocoa. The new crusading guide, the darling boy of MPP Brian Achampong and the all-knowing sticker. Katie Amon is also in Asamoah Boateng is here. So we need Enima Baba a ministerial listing him. New Kings take over NDC bench in Parliament. Ejomodin koma kama bibia kama ntienra the 7th of February no and Parliament starts na say na munyina ekasakaka. Nana appoints Katie Brian Asabi in a reshuffle omunfonyi oha and the long one and overdue OB Amoa. Super talent about local government, ma, or yes, super for Ghana, not necessarily even for the MPP. Was sure dia jibre inti wabi esa no makai Dr. Callistus era atwa ho emone era Dr.
Njada ne ya minister na gasa.
Oh, no so baby ono emudi edimu pa. Christian Achu rescue responding to treatment. A Draman SHS dining hall collapse and no other. But
update in a 48, say 47, 28 year discharge.
Okay, good.
I call more Macari.
Jail a Blackwa for contempt, Reverend Kwesi Boateng Edges Court, and publisher the Obokata say Kufuor picks 3 ministers, promotes Obi Amoah and Anta, and learn from Haruna Addis, back to new leader. And the Ghanaian Times the era Katie Amon Pampa Mapa, and a new one her, Kwabna Tahir. Hammond. Oh no, me say be there obi ministry. Say show for me kwa go busa question say na the we new minister dey na be go somebody know that. Yera Katie Hammond, very interesting character, and Yera Brian Achampong and Asamoah Boateng, he needs no introduction. And Auditor General recovers 2.2 billion for state and what some say, and President names new ministers. And all the papers they are talking about, it will be out there. You come here.
Yeah, one is here. That was a part of my mother. Said, "Be a bar, mojo brushe. You knew. You can't go to some Professor Ike wala said they are bar. If someone come over home, person more. What I will many free and could be say when you kwaba the better so."